Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick BingX tutorial. Right now, the crypto market is showing strong bullish momentum after a correction, and many traders are expecting a fresh rally. In such conditions, having a reliable exchange is very important where you can do both spot investing and futures trading with ease. BingX is one of the platforms that allows you to trade crypto, invest in spot coins, and also use futures with leverage. It is simple to use and suitable for both beginners and advanced traders. You can buy crypto using card, P2P, or crypto deposits, and withdraw easily as well. Inside the platform, the spot section is for long-term investing in coins like BTC, ETH, and altcoins, while the futures section lets you trade with leverage using USDM perpetual contracts. You can open trades, set stop loss, and take profit, and manage risk directly from the chart. For example, if you identify a support zone, you can place a long trade, set your position size, and define stop loss and target in seconds. The execution is fast, which is helpful for scalping and short-term trades. Overall, BingX is a simple, all-in-one exchange for trading and investing in the crypto market. In the next videos, I'll show you more advanced strategies and setups.